Patterns are sets of pictures that repeat. Look at the pattern on screen. What comes next in this pattern? Triangle. Which picture comes next? Star. Which picture comes next? Lemon. What comes next in this pattern? Dime. You are a master. Grow your brain with Penelopes' memory match game. Click on 2 cards to try and find a matching pair. Match each. Circle. Sphere. Cube. Triangle. Square. Cube. Triangle. Pyramid. Rectangular prism. Rectangle. You matched them all. Cool. Two-dimensional shapes are flat, like a square. Three-dimensional shapes are solid, like a cube. Can you spot the difference and sort the 2D and 3D shapes? Muggo needs to clean up and sort his shapes. Put all of the two-dimensional shapes in this box. Put all of the three-dimensional shapes in this box. Hit the Done button when you're finished. That's right! Which box has more? Correct! 5 is more than 4. You are a master. Muggo needs a tune-up. To fix Muggo's broken part, put the pieces back together to complete the picture. He's alive! Cool.